Hello, I'm Charu, subject matter expert at Antio. Over the last decade, I have worked with some of the biggest players in fintech and Web3. Yet, I've seen one problem come up again and again. That is, merchants want to accept crypto, but the infrastructure still exists in the past. Let's be real, over 420 million users hold crypto, yet merchants cannot accept it natively. Merchants today face legacy inefficiencies, that is, 2 to 4% transaction fees, 3 days settlement cycles, and almost no transparency on how the money moves. Last but not the least, black box payment processors. So we built something bigger and better. That is a Web3 native merchant payment gateway that allows you to accept crypto in real time, remove middlemen, and gain full control and end-to-end visibility over your assets. Here is what sets us apart. Gateway API integration, customizable merchant dashboard, multi-crypto support, revenue sharing models, KYC KYB compliance, seamless UX for users, mobile and desktop compatible. This is all we have that Antio serves. Now, let's see how a merchant payment gateway works in a nutshell. The super admin sets up the platform. They review KYB, manage supported coins, set fees, and control the treasury wallet. The next step is merchants get approved, integrate our APIs, and track everything from their dashboard, from revenue to withdrawals. And what about the end users? It's simple. They check out, scan a QR code, pay in crypto, and it's all done. All on chain and transparent. Now, let's walk you through what happens during a transaction. The customer shops on your website. At checkout, they choose Pay with Crypto. A widget appears with a wallet address and a QR code. They pay using their preferred crypto wallet. The funds are sent to our platform secure treasury wallet. The transaction is recorded and a receipt is generated instantly. And from your admin panel, you can track earnings and request withdrawals whenever needed. It's that simple and fully transparent. Now I know one of the key questions you might be asking is how long does it take to build and launch this merchant payment gateway? Go full custom in 6 to 8 weeks or launch an MVP in 3. Our ready to deploy modules make it flexible, fast, and future ready. Whether you are running a global marketplace or an enterprise SaaS platform, we integrate right where the commerce happens. So, are you ready to move beyond the legacy stack and meet where the crypto customers already are? Let's talk. Connect with Antio.